Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to use Padlet. Padlet is a web app that lets users post notes on a digital wall just like a sticky note you put on a wall. Padlet lets those sticky notes have images, links, and videos and are available with any internet-ready device. Padlet is a virtual bulletin board where students and teachers can collaborate, reflect, share links and pictures in a secure location. Let's get started. In the search engine, type in www.padlet.com. Click on Padlet. Your screen would look different than mine because I have an account. What you need to do is to log in with your Google account or click on Sign Up to create a new Padlet account. Once you're there, your screen should look like mine. Go up to the upper left corner. You're going to click on Make a Padlet. You have several options to choose from. Today we're going to choose Wall, so select Wall. Let me close this out. We're going to modify our background, so we're going to go up to this gear icon. We're going to click on it, scroll down to our wallpaper, click on that. You have several options. You got solid colors, you got gradients, you have textures and patterns, you have pictures, and you can also, sorry about that, you can also upload your own photo for both portrait and wallpaper background. I'm going to use textures and patterns. I'm going to click on the leaves. I'm going to go up to this arrow. I'm going to click on that, click on it again, and then I'm going to click Save, and then I'm going to click Close. Next, we're going to talk about layout. Layout refers to how the sticky notes are posted on the board. So we're going to go up to the three dots at the upper right corner of your screen. Then we're going to scroll down to where it says Change Format, and you have several options to choose. We're going to cancel out. I'm going to talk about the privacy setting. The privacy setting is what makes Padlet such a valuable collaborative tool for school settings. Teachers who create a Padlet wall have several privacy options. So we're going to go up to Share at your upper right corner of your screen. Click on Share, and we're going to scroll down where it says Change Privacy. We click on that, and we have several options that we can choose from. Okay, we're going to go back, close Share. We're going to talk about notification. Notification option is one to check in the event you plan to leave a wall open, but do not plan to check the wall frequently. So we're going to go up here to the very top of the left corner of your screen where you see the lock. Click on the lock, and there's your notifications. Allow, block, ask. I'm going to leave it on allow. I'm going to exit out. And then we're going to talk about delete. Delete, you're going to go back up to the upper right side of your screen. Click on the three dots. Scroll down, and there's your delete button. Delete doesn't just delete the wall. You can reuse a wall by simply clicking on Clear Old Post. If you've got a question, you're going to go back to the three dots, look for Help, and then you can type in your question there. If you want to share your post, go back up to the three dots at the upper right corner of your screen, and there's your share. Scroll down until you see share or embedded. Also under the three dots, you can export your document, and you can also print your document. If you want to copy your wall, the lower right side of your screen, there's a round pink circle. Click on it. Give it a title. I'm going to type in Padlet. Click out. You have 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots, and that's how you can copy and paste your wall. Padlet can monitor posts, remove posts, and manage posts 24/7. Padlet is free to sign up, but you can only make 3 Padlet before you need to upgrade to a monthly or yearly subscription. Thank you for taking time to watch this video.